Hi everyone, this is Lady B. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use garlic and honey to lower high blood pressure. Come, let's go guys. This is it guys, this is my honey and this is the butter I will be putting in. And this is what I use to press my garlic. So I will be putting it here and I will just be doing it directly to this bottle like this. But if you don't have this thing, you can also use knife just to slice it, pieces it, and do it like this. So this is how it goes, guys. Just continue until everything finish. I washed my garlic properly. I peeled it. I washed it properly. So I will continue like this until I'm done with the whole garlic. Keep washing, guys. Sorry guys. So guys, I will see you when I'm done doing the garlic. So guys, this is the finished look of the garlic and the honey. So I added 3 full tablespoons of honey and I mixed it together. So you can take it in the evening, every evening, or 3 times a week. Just take your teaspoon and apply it in your mouth, and after that you can conserve it in the fridge. So guys, if you find this recipe helpful, share it, like it. It can be of help to somebody. And if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe to this channel. Thank you guys for coming. See you in my next video. Bye bye.